Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you play Undertale on guitar. Learning to play your favorite Undertale tunes on guitar is a rewarding journey. We will start by ensuring your guitar is properly tuned to standard EJ. Then, we will cover the very first steps, like understanding basic finger placement and how to hold your pick correctly. It is important to build a strong foundation before tackling more complex melodies, so we will focus on those initial skills first. Once you have the basics down, we will dive into the essential chords that form the backbone of many Undertale songs. Mastering open chords such as G, C, D, and M will open up a world of possibilities. We will also explore fundamental strumming patterns to give your playing rhythm and life. For those intricate melodies, we will touch upon basic fingerpicking techniques, allowing you to capture the unique sound of the game's soundtrack. Now for the fun part, playing actual Undertale songs. We will begin with the iconic riff from Megalovania, a fantastic piece to get your fingers moving. Next, we can challenge ourselves with the lively rhythm of Spider Dance, which introduces some more dynamic playing. Finally, we will explore the beautiful and emotional melody of Undertale, a song that truly captures the game's heart. These three songs offer a great range of styles to practice. Consistent practice is key to becoming proficient. Aim for at least 15 minutes of dedicated practice every single day to build muscle memory and improve your technique. Utilize the vast array of online guitar tabs and video tutorials available to guide your learning. Additionally, immerse yourself in the original Undertale soundtracks. Listening frequently will help you internalize the melodies and rhythms, making it easier to play them on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.